So what could they be? They could be 1 and 8, could be 2 and 7, could be 3 and 6, 4 and 5, and then will be reversing 5, 4, and so on, right? So I don't have to, well, let me reverse it. So 5, 4, and 6, 3, and 7, 2, and 1, 8. Okay, so these are the possibilities of A and B. So, okay, of these children's ages, which ones are there? Which one is Mr. Jones's children's age? 9 is, because they told us, so we know for sure. If a number, the license plate number that we're talking about, is a multiple of 9, then it is automatically a multiple of 3, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, now what else? If it's an even number, then 2 is, before we talk about that, it is a multiple of 1. Do you agree? Okay. Now, if we can arrange this number so that we put the even number at the end, then it becomes multiple of 2. In fact, with all these numbers here, that you got to, this is the number that we are talking about is multiple of all of them except 1. So it's guaranteed to be, it will have one of these, 4 or 6 or 8. You cannot avoid all 3 or 4, so 2 will automatically go in. Okay? So now we got to make sure that which one, we'll try to make it a multiple of all these, and yet we'll fail in some, so we'll see where we fail. And that failing one is the one that we are looking for, not the age of Mr. Jones's children. Okay, now the next one I'm interested in is, see, it has to be, if it's a multiple of 8, then it's automatically a multiple of 4. If it's a multiple of, but at least it has to be multiple of 4, even if it's not multiple of 8. So, see, one of them has to be there, because only one is missing out of it here. So if this was missing, then it's multiple of 4. If this was missing, then this was inside, and it's nonsense, right? How can it be multiple of 8 and not multiple of 4? So it has to be multiple of 4 at least. So we will make it multiple of 4. So if it's arranged in this format here, in the AABB, then which number can repeat and then be multiple of 4? They are 44 and 88, right? Here I wrote it wrong. It should have been 8 and 1. So in this format, if I could end in 44 or 88, then I have a multiple of 8. But here, what number should it be? Got to be 55, right? Because A and B add up to 9. And got to be 11 so that they can add up to 9. 9 and 9, right? Okay, so that's one possibility. And what if it was mixed like that? Then how could I end with mixed numbers such way that it would be a multiple of 4? Last 2 digits determine it. So the only way to get multiple of 4 is 36 and 72. Any other? 18 doesn't do it, 27 does it. 36, yes, we did it. And 72, that's the only way. But 36, so I got to have 6 and 3. Then you realize, I could have had 6 and 3 too. So that was a possibility, right? Okay, how about 72? I could have had 72, or I could still have 72 and have 2 7 like that. Okay. Any other? Here's one that I didn't put down. It's 9 and 0, or 0 and 9. So I could have 0 0. Haha. That means it was 9 9. Okay. So these are the possibilities that we got, right? Okay. So if it was one of these, then it was a multiple of 9, and it was a multiple of 1, 2, 3, and 4. That would leave these dangling. Okay. So that's how far we got.